they did. Let people see what they did. So he started it. Because he put coffee on me.
Well,
and then I said, okay, it's not worth it. I'm not going to talk with some terrorists.
why would you call that person a terrorist?
Because he threatened me.
On November 16th in 2024, in Downers Grove, Illinois, a simple argument at a Panera Bread turned into a hate crime investigation that shocked everyone.
What the shit? What the shit?
Stop! Stop!
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Now I'm gonna call police.
Call the police.
Call the police.
Stop!
Yeah, nothing says peaceful lunch like threatening a pregnant woman over a sandwich.
You're gonna hit that pregnant woman?
No. I did.
Get away from my wife. What the hell is your problem?
Can you call the police?
Get away from me. Go. What's your problem?
What's your problem? What's your problem?
Can you get away from my wife?
She's stop.
I'll punch you. Get away from me.
I'm gonna punch you too.
Punch me.
Okay.
What the hell?
Police tracked her down the next day, and what started as a coffee shop argument quickly turned into an arrest warrant.
What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to place you under arrest for battery. That being said, I will be more than happy to read your Miranda rights now before I do any other further questioning. Are you good with discussing this in front of your husband?
Of course.
Okay, all right. Okay.
You're trying to arrest me?
So, the person that you made contact with yesterday...
Did you know what he did to me?
I watched the video, because there's videos of it, okay?
Right.
There's videos of it, and then we also have video footage of the female manager who had video recording inside the Panera, okay? So, per their manager, and per the video that we watched, okay, it shows you as the initial aggressor, okay?
I didn't do anything. He just stepped in front of me, and I said, well, I don't like what you're wearing.
And just like that, freedom of speech met the Illinois Penal Code.
Can you say what actually happened or what the video shows?
So the video shows an altercation between your wife and a male party who is in between his wife, who is recording your wife due to her actions that happened at the Panera.
No, her wife was recording
Recording
me.
you, yes.
So I said stop recording because I'm talking to him. I didn't attack her. I didn't have any. I didn't even see her.
Did you attempt to grab the phone?
Yes.
Okay. So she's allowed to record you. It's a public area. So it's unfortunate as it is, you're allowed to record people at a public area. Okay? So you can't be grabbing people's phones. Okay?
I didn't.
I understand. Okay? So again, just for the sake of everything right now, I'm gonna read you your Miranda rights. Okay? After that, we are gonna be placing you under arrest for battery.
Spoiler alert. What does this mean? Usually means handcuffs are next.
Okay?
What do you mean?
We're going to be placing you under arrest for battery.
What does this mean?
Okay.
But when officers confronted her with the footage, she tried to defend herself, until one shocking comment changed everything.
Let's see what they did. Let people see what they did. So he started it. Because he put coffee on me. And then I said, okay, it's not worth it. I'm not going to talk with some terrorists.
And there it is. The magic word that turns battery into a hate crime.
Why would you call that person a terrorist?
Because he threatened me. So I see, he pushed me again. Do you see that? That he kept pushing me.
I understand, but the problem is this whole incident was provocated by them alleging that you, and pardon my language, but this is what they claim you said, that you walked up to them and said Palestine because they had the word Palestine on the back of their their shirt. That is what provocated this. That's what would make you the primary aggressor on it.
That single remark turned a simple assault case into a hate crime investigation, and her panic was just beginning.
Did you arrest him? I want to see him arrested for what he did. I still have coffee on my. I was looking at this. My hair was wet, but everything was wet. My face.
Claiming, but my hair was wet, doesn't hold up in court.
No, but had you not made the comment that you made and kept on going on with it,
because if he wouldn't react, how many people attack me? Okay, because you have a silly accent or something. So I'm gonna go after them.
I can't make any comment on that, man, because I'm not in your shoes. The only thing that we can make comments on are what we know.
And if what you're telling me is the truth, that if someone makes fun of your comment or your accent and you don't do anything about it, I applaud you for your restraint. The problem is in this situation, you were the one who made the initial contact between that couple and yourself by the comment that you made, and that devolved the situation into where we're at now.
Okay.
I know that you're doing your job, but this is crazy. I look like a offender or something. I just go after my life, people. Wait, I mean, there's so much wrong going on in the world, and the people who are really attacking others. And I just because I made some comment and he reacted. He actually reacted. Okay, he could say shut up or I don't know.
Yeah, and that comment just got you 2 felonies and a one-way trip to county jail. In the end, Alexandra learned the hard way. In America, hate speech isn't free speech when it comes with a side of assault.